If you want to take a macro photo on iPhone 17e, it is pretty simple. Although there is no dedicated macro mode that we can use to easily capture a macro photo, still we can use a little trick that allows you to take macro photos with a decent quality. So what you want to do is you want to keep the distance between the subject that you are trying to take the picture of and of course your phone or the camera. Now in this case we can just use the zoom in order to get into the details of the subject. Of course, you don't want to use too much zoom if possible, but also you don't want to keep the camera too close because you will lose the focus. So it is a pretty huge compromise if you think about it, because usually the dedicated macro mode allows you to keep the camera close and get a really good quality, but unfortunately in this case, since we don't have the macro mode, we have to use this little trick instead. The more zoom you use, the worse the quality is, but it still should look quite decent even if you use like 4x or so. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.